Hi. Today I want to talk about eBay again and this whole concept of retail arbitrage. This is Elliot from Gigs Online, and I want to talk about ways to, make money, passive income, or side hustles. How can you do it? I talk about that a lot on this channel, and one thing that sells very well are, these, kind of griddle slash skillets, whatever you want to call it. It's enamel. This particular one is Le Creuset, and I know I said it wrong. I'm not French, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I don't speak French, and I know I probably botched the name. But it's kind of heavy. Normally, these items sell very well. They do cost a little bit in shipping, but I know this sells. Again, my wife bought this. And I've sold these in the past. A lot of times people, the challenge is that you can find these, but people don't know how to really take care of them. And we cleaned this up a bit, but it's a real basic process. It's just knowing how to clean the tools. And some people will use this for like a year and be like, this is terrible. The stuff doesn't come out. And it's just due to the fact that people don't really read the instructions. They'll get pitting, things like that. But these do sell very well. And if you ever wanted to try retail arbitrage, and really retail arbitrage is the idea of, buying low, selling high. I mean, it's a really simple, concept, but it's very hard to do in practice and scale. So that's what I got to say. And I want to take a break because, I always talk about tea, how much I love it. And I'm drinking some tea right now. So that's delicious. Now, this was actually from Kentra, and I really like their teas. Their teas are great. I do have other videos. I'll link those in the description. I will also link this product. If you like, like a skillet or want a skillet, this is probably one to look at. Le Creuset is actually pretty good. But I wanted to shout out, some of my tea. I try not to eat and drink on camera because when you do that, sometimes you have to take multiple takes. So hopefully this is just the first take. But all jokes aside, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate the love. If you could subscribe, I would love that. If you got questions about, this griddle, skillet, enamel thing, let me know. It's Le Creuset. Or you have questions about other products. I buy a lot of stuff and I review a lot of stuff. And it's fun. I love answering questions. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. That's all I got today. Bye.